Welcome to the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. The Traverse is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights, leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, 7 kilometers on the odometer, brand new, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated seating, wireless charging, your automatic shifter knob. We have our 4-wheel drive selector with auto stop start and lane keep assist, as well as we do have the all black dash with Bose audio and heated leather seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black chrome alloy wheel with the Continental all-season tire, color match door handles, keyless entry all around, Traverse badging, color match mirror caps with the camera system and LED strip. Coming down to the front, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals. We have the RS branded grille with front camera system, black bow tie and black chrome grille. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the vehicle, we have our LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear power tailgate and backup camera. Diving into the interior, we do have the captain's chairs, second row. Both are car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to our third row 60-40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. Over top, a black headliner with LED lighting and a dual panel sunroof system. Tons of room in the back of the Traverse. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.